Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Mowdy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a full face of first impressions. I recently did an ULTA haul where I got new makeup. If you haven't checked that one out, the link is going to be in the description box below. If not, I will put it somewhere up here. Make sure you check that one out. But I am doing a full face of first impression, so most of this is gonna be new. The primer, the foundation, the concealer, the contouring, the bronzer. Just kidding, not the contouring, the bronzer is gonna be new. The eyebrow stuff is gonna be the same, but I am adding something new, so make sure you guys keep on watching.
I won't lie to you. I know he's just not right for you.
Alright guys, so of course the first thing we're going to start off with is primer. And the primer I am going to be using today is the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I saw it, I liked it. I do have a lot of pores in my nose area. Oh, it got stuffy in here. So I decided to try it out. I am going to be looking a little bit off to the side because I do have a mirror like right next to the camera so I can put on my makeup. You know, because I'm not an expert at the no mirror makeup challenge yet, so I'm kind of interested on okay, so it's, I don't know, hopefully it just works out. So I normally pour this on there. Okay, so it's really oily. I don't know if I like this. Okay. I'm getting sick, I think. I hope not, because I will... Nope. I know what I'm doing tonight. Is taking a nice bath. And then going to take some NyQuil. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to put some right here on my beard area to smooth it all out. Oops, I ran out. Alright, that's it. So I'm going to take a quick look. I'm going to let this set in. Let me grab my mirror. Alright, so looking closely, I can still see my pores. I don't know. I don't notice anything different right off the bat. I don't know. I really can't tell anything different than how my skin normally looks, but we'll see if this does a good job with the new foundation I'm trying on. Alright, so moving on from primer that I don't think did anything. Foundation I'm going to be using today is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the dewy one. I did see Gabriel Zamora using this and he raved about it, so I want to check it out and see if, you know, if I like it. And then the brush I'll be using is the Precision Foundation brush from ULTA Beauty. I'm just gonna, oh my god, that's too much. Okay, so one thing I don't like about that is that I'm used to pumps. I should have put on a hat. Okay, so let's put this on my forehead. I'm afraid that this is gonna fall everywhere. So I'm like, not excited, you know? But, so one thing, I'm probably gonna grab a beauty blender and make sure that this is on good and doesn't leave any streaks behind, because I have had that issue with a different foundation. Looking closely, it looks really good. Like, my skin looks more natural. It does accentuate my acne in this area more than I would like, but you know, it is what it is. But I am really liking it. Like, it doesn't look bad. So I'm going to be wearing this throughout the day and see how it looks. So I'll keep you guys updated later on. Alright guys, so for concealer, I will be using the Born This Way concealer. I have tried this out once before, but I don't remember if I liked it or not. So let's go ahead and try it out and see if I like it or not. So right here, right here, and right here. So I like that it does have a really big applicator. Alright, so this does blend out really smoothly, which is nice. I like it. I like it. Alright. Does anyone else open up their eyes like when they do? Or is it just me? I mean, you gotta stretch that skin, I guess, right? Alright, so that is nice and blended out. Close look at it. I like it. I do like it. I'm going to go ahead and set this with the Maybelline loose setting powder before it starts caking. This is a little uneven. That is okay. Moving on from this, let me just... Oops, I forgot my forehead. Alright, so moving on from this, I am going to go ahead and bronze up my skin, and for bronzer I am using something new. That something new is going to be the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. So, okay, so I did grab the shade 6676. Don't know, but comes like this, and then there, if you flip it up, there is a mirror, which is really nice and handy, and they give you a brush. So for shits and giggles, let's go ahead and use the brush they gave us. Oh, wait. Okay. Don't know what I'm... Okay, don't like the handheld. Go ahead and switch over to my brush I like using, and I'm just gonna dip in and... Oh, that's a big brush. Wrong brush. And we're gonna bronze up this edge. I'm gonna grab a little bit more. Okay, so now I like it. I like it. I'm probably gonna use this to contour actually. Okay, I'm using this to contour as well. This smells really good. Alright, and then of course, like always, I'm going to be going back into my Maybelline loose setting powder, and I'm going to define my contour. And going back to the other side and doing the same thing. Okay. Ooh, just like my beard blotchy. Just kidding, I shaved. Oh, I forgot to. Actually, I'm going to go back with this and go right underneath my double chin. I mean chin, one chin. And make sure that that is defined because I want to look thin. Because your boy, we all know, made it pretty clear, he does not go to the gym. Okay, so I'm going to get a closer look, and I'm going to use their mirror. This actually looks really good. I'm a little shooketh. I'm not mad at it. It looks really good. I am going to go ahead and brush off this middle excess though. Okay. And then I am using, the Morphe AL palette, and then using this light shade right here for the middle of my forehead, and then to help brush away the middle. But I am going to be moving on to less eyebrows. And then for eyebrows, it's nothing new. I am using the Anastasia Dip Brow and then the brow pencil as well. But first I'm going to go ahead and comb these bad boys. Okay, moment of silence. And then I am using the excess of this one to finish filling it in my eyebrows. I won't be filling in the front part because I did grab the brow gel to set it in place, and I feel like that's going to work really good to pretty much define everything. I am going to go in with the brow pencil and cover these little bald spots that I have. And the eyebrows are there. I am going to be going in with that brow gel and see what all the hype is about, or see if I like it, and I will be adding it. If not, I guess I can give it away, or my sister will probably steal it. Okay, so it's like a tint thing. Okay. Okay. I'm not upset about it. I'm not upset. Alright guys, welcome back. I did just finish my eyebrows off camera and took off my powder. The next thing I'm going to be using is the new Morphe X Jeffree Star setting spray. This does smell like strawberries, so I'm hoping it's not too overpowering and like overwhelming, because I do like scented stuff, but when they're too much it's kind of like, ugh, like no thank you. So let's go ahead and set. Okay. Smells good. Smells good. Okay, it smells really good. Yes. So this smells really good. Okay, when I wave my hands like this, it starts smelling not good and like grossness, like expired strawberries, I guess. Ugh, no. Okay. I'm gonna use it throughout the day, see if I like it. And then for highlight, I'm gonna be using the Supernova in this Morphe 8L palette. See if I like it or not. Ooh, amazing. Alright, and then we're gonna put this on the bridge of the nose. Right here, and then right above. Boom. Alright, and then we're going to set this one more time, and we'll be done. That was interesting. Oh, I forgot blush. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to be using the Tarte Quirky. I've never used blush before, so we'll see if I like it. Oh, I don't. I don't know how I feel about blush. But I am gonna wear this throughout the day, and we shall see if I like it, what's going on, if it stays, and you know, like the pros and cons. So I'll check back in with you guys later. Be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. It is now 10:51 p.m. where I am, and I've been out and about, hung out with my best friend, did some shopping, ate some food, not in that order, but let me see, you know, what we think. So let me get up close and personal. Pore minimizer didn't really work. I still see my pores. Actually, I think it might have worked, not that well, but it did work really good. I can still see some of my pores in this area, so I mean, I'm gonna try it on a couple more days, see how it works out, if I like it, if I'm gonna keep it, if it's replacing my Maybelline Better Skin. Gonna, you know, find that one out. The foundation has still looked really good, guys. Like, I'm shooketh. It's still, sorry, moving this out of the way. It did set into my wrinkle right here. But overall it looks really good. This is a common one because of my forehead. Has that little crevice. but the foundation does look really good. The concealer also looks really good. It hasn't creased. For me, concealers usually crease right here in the middle, but this one didn't. Bronzer is looking really good, like just stunning. Blush, wasn't a big fan of blush, so I probably might not be wearing blush anymore. Highlighter, oh my god, it is insane in the membrane. Really good. Everything was really good. The one thing I didn't like was the smell of this. The packaging is cute. The smell just is not for me. I probably really wouldn't go out of my way to purchase this again. I'm probably going to stick to the original one. Just its strawberry scent. Once you fan it out, it just doesn't smell good in my opinion. Yes. Brow pomade that kept my eyebrows in place throughout the day, so loving that. Overall, I really liked everything that I got. Just this was the only no for me, but I'm going to keep using it, see if it grows on me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just a reminder, I am doing a giveaway for that Morphe 35O palette and that $50 gift card to ULTA. So remember, the rules are simple. Just make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and comment where I can get a hold of you. The winner will be announced in October. All the official rules and everything will be linked down below. And remember, if you want an extra entry, make sure you follow me on my Instagram at MowdySeo, MowdySeyo, for an extra chance to win. I will be keeping track of everything, and the winner will be announced the Friday of October. So without further ado, have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want.